Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone. This drone comes in a sleek black finish and measures approximately 8 by 2 by 8 inches, constructed from plastic. One of the standout features highlighted is its enhanced stability. This is attributed to a combination of its hollow design and built-in noise reduction capabilities, which work together to ensure flights are remarkably smooth and steady, even in varying conditions. When it comes to performance, the drone is equipped with a high-performance motor and propeller setup. This pairing is designed to deliver dynamic and powerful flights, providing the necessary thrust and control for both gentle movements and more demanding maneuvers. Managing your flight data is also made quite simple. The O3 Air unit includes both memory card and USB ports directly on the unit, which significantly streamlines the process of transferring and storing your captured footage and flight logs. The design also focuses on user-friendliness, particularly with its power cable and battery installation method, making the setup process straightforward and quick so you can get into the air faster. This drone is presented as being quite versatile, capable of handling both smooth, cinematic-style flying and more agile freestyle maneuvers. This makes it suitable for a wide range of aerial tasks, whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or practicing acrobatic tricks. It also features GPS for added functionality and positioning accuracy. Included with the drone are essential components like propellers, a remote control, a memory card, a battery, and the camera itself, providing a comprehensive package to get started. Overall, based on its features, this 3.5-inch drone appears to be a robust option for adults seeking a stable, powerful, and easy-to-manage FPV experience that can adapt to different flying styles.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.